Mr. Speaker, we are in receipt of the proclamation issued by the Commission on Elections declaring Gabriela Women's Party as winner under the party list system in the national and local elections of May 12, 2025, and to entitle its nominee, Sara Jane I. Elago, to sit as its representative in the House of Representatives of the Congress of the Philippines. Mr. Speaker, pursuant to the aforementioned proclamation, I move to allow Sara Jane I. Elago, representative of Gabriela Women's Party, to take oath in open session.
Is there any objection? The chair hears none. The motion is approved. The Secretary General is directed to call the representative of the Gabriela Women's Party to take oath of office before this body. May I request all the members of the House of Representatives and all our guests in the galleries to please rise to witness the oath-taking of our new member. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I,
Sara Jane Elago,
of Barangay
Marilag, Quezon City,
having been elected as,
representative of Gabriela Women's Party,
hereby solemnly swear
that
that I will well and faithfully discharge,
I will well and faithfully discharge,
to the best of my ability,
to the best of my
the
ability,
duties of my present position,
the duties of my present position,
and all others
and of all others
I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines.
I may hereafter hold under the Republic of the Philippines.
That I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines.
That I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines.
That I will bear true faith
That I will bear true faith
and allegiance to the same.
and allegiance to the same.
And that I will obey the laws and legal orders
And that I will obey the laws, legal orders,
and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines.
and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines.
And that I impose this obligation
And that I impose this obligation
upon myself voluntarily, without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.